So, all right. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know there's no sound. I think the sound should be back up and running right now. Let me double check. How's the sound right now? If you're still connected, let me know in the comments if the sound is back on. Highly appreciate that right now. All right, so let's restart. Let's restart, my friends. Welcome, welcome, my free thinking rebels. In this video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of Bitcoin as it soars past breaking Berkshire's Hathaway and setting its sights on Meta Facebook. The price of Bitcoin is going insane, and we're going to see what's happening and what we can expect this week. So, my free thinking rebels, my name is Stefan Severo. I am a holistic financial planning coach specializing in digital asset management. I am on a mission to help business owners, and entrepreneurs like yourself safely invest and automate your digital assets, create passive income, and build a legacy for yourself, your family, and your community. Now, if you're joining us live, please drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and share this videos with your friends and family, as this helps us so much in pushing the video and letting the algorithm know that this video is valuable for you and for your community. Now, music is still over the voice. All right, let me fix that right now. I'm going to bring that down. And let's bring up the voice then. Thank you so much for the comment, my friend. I'm not sure how to pronounce that name, but I appreciate it. And we are now gonna dive into the first story. Let's take a look right now. So it says the breakout or 40K bull trap. 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week. 5 things. Let's take a look. Bitcoin surges past the key 40,000 amid a macro liquidity boost, but traders' predictions include a BTC price crash of 25% or more. Furthermore, it says BTC price action is delighting bulls already as the month begins with the weekly close, providing the first trip above 40,000 since April of last year. Exciting times to be above the 40K so early in this cycle. I was not expecting this, but here we are. Now, furthermore, it says the party mood is not just reflected on markets. Bitcoin miners are busy preparing for the halving. And with the hash rate already at all-time highs of its own, the trend is set to continue. Now, Bitcoin surges past 40,000, but a serious correction remains on the watch list. Let's take a look at what this trader has to say. Perhaps understandably, many traders are calling for upside continuation towards 50,000, with leverage source liquidity slowly disappearing as BTC price performance edges higher. For a popular trader, Crypto Chase, current levels represent an ideal place to trap late longs and take Bitcoin $10,000 lower. Low 40s, then we see low 30s. Wrong in the low 50s, a one-to-one trade essentially, he originally told subscribers on X. This is definitely something to look out for. Personally, and this is not financial advice, if you're not already in a Bitcoin trade, these are the moments where you kind of want to hold back a little bit, observe what's happening, and then maybe take a step, maybe wait for a small retrace. But the prices are exploding. Now, next up, Colombia's President Petro joins Bitcoin revolution. More and more, we have Argentina. We have a lot of people joining this crypto revolution. Let's see what it has to say. In what may be the start of yet another Bitcoin adoption narrative in the South American region, Colombian President Petro officially became a Bitcoin holder. While many other countries in the region see cryptocurrencies favorably, El Salvador, a Latin American republic, already made Bitcoin legal tender in September of 2021. And their economy is just exploding. I don't know if you've been following El Salvador, but they are doing amazing things right now. Furthermore, President Petro dives into Bitcoin, what it means for Colombia. So Colombia President Gustavo Petro is said to be a Bitcoin owner. This comes after President Petro met with a delegation led by Samson Mao, founder of Jan3, a company at the forefront of Bitcoin nation state adoption. The conference, as reported by local media and social media, is a crucial step towards exploring the integration of Bitcoin and blockchain technology into Colombia's socio-economic fabric. Furthermore, it says the CEO, Samson Mao, has given the Colombian president 100,000 Satoshis worth of BTC. Following this, President Petro issued a message in which he stated that the technology behind crypto has the potential to benefit Colombians. 150%, Bitcoin has the potential to benefit every single person on this planet. More adoption, more all over the world. That's what we want to see. Finally, on our news highlight, we have Crypto Biz. UAE regulatory structure draws crypto firm Canaan's revenue slump and more. We're going to dive in just to the first story. The United Arab Emirates increasingly attracts Web3 companies to its jurisdiction, becoming the center of global crypto innovation. Behind the wave of companies moving or deploying initiatives in the UAE's regulation, the country has introduced regulatory frameworks for decentralized autonomous organizations, virtual asset providers, metaverses, and other Web3 related entities. By offering regulatory clarity and clear path to compliance amid a crackdown in the United States, the UAE is moving closer to fulfilling what it wants to be, an international financial hub for digital assets. Now, wild predictions about how it will affect the future of the UAE of the crypto space itself vary. History shows how countries have used regulatory gaps to build new industries or curb existing ones. On the right track, in my opinion, anything that will help build the infrastructure for the crypto space is definitely a good place to start. It's definitely something that will continue to improve the infrastructure worldwide. As the world sinks deeper into debt, your hard-earned money loses value daily. The solution: safeguard your wealth with smart, diversified, and decentralized income strategies. Breakout Solutions is on a mission to take back personal freedom, individual rights, and financial sovereignty. As the era of CBDCs, digital IDs, and social credit system approaches, it's crucial to act now to safeguard your financial future. Introducing the Future of Money, your guide to what's happening and what is coming. Join our 90-minute session to equip yourself, your loved ones, and your business against a system bent on control. Your time is precious. Don't waste it anymore. Use the link below, join our next virtual event, and access my exclusive bonuses. Yes, my friends, exclusive bonuses by using the link down below. We just had our last Future of Money Masterclass, and we are actually holding our Path to Prosperity, a full day workshop where you will come in, learn so much about yourself as an individual, as an investor, and you'll also end the day with your own personalized DeFi strategy. Highly recommend you check that out. The link is in the description. Now, we are going to jump straight into our market updates. And as you can see right now, it is just a sea of green. Already up 177, Luna up 66%, Luna C up 176, IOTA 97. My friends, I want you to drop in the comments right now. Are you holding any of these coins? What is your portfolio looking like right now? We are currently up over 3x on some of our portfolios, and it just keeps growing. It is only the beginning. Now, moving on to our crypto fear and greed index, we can see we are soaring at 74% greed. Last week, we ended the week around 73, and we're continuing to just keep that greed energy index high. And hey, can't blame people right now. Things are looking really good in the crypto space. Now, let's look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart. I love to look at this at the beginning of the week. Now, look at what's happening right now. We're getting a massive move up to the upside right now, and we're almost getting ready to hit that next area of resistance, which is possibly that 45 to 50K zone. We are still in that accumulate area, my friends. So keep accumulating. Long-term holders of Bitcoin, still good time to buy. Now, the next video I want to show you guys. Let me just make a quick shift right here. Okay. Actually, want to share this clip from Matthew, one of the coaches here at Breakout Solutions. Let's take a look at it right now. So my friends, if you're not subscribed to the Breakout Solutions channel, take a second right now, click on that subscribe icon and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these content. Drop a like from Matt if you like what he has to say right now. Let's take a listen.
Following me for quite a bit of time, you know that I have been talking about this golden pocket for quite some time. We are at the golden pocket from the all-time high to the bear market lows of 2022. And right now, this is a little bit of a make or break it scenario for Bitcoin. If we can break 41,500 to 42,000 emphatically and reclaim it as support, the next stop for Bitcoin is around $48,000 to $50,000. That's right.
You heard it, my friends, $40K to $50,000. Once we break that 41,000, get some support, then we can definitely see a move to the upside, a clean move to the upside. But we still have some time before we can ensure that will happen. All right. Now, my friends, we're going to jump into the Twitter highlights. Let's see what's going on X today. First off, we have Oliver L. Velas. Bitcoin is the 10th most valuable asset in the world, having passed Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway today. Meta, Facebook, is next. When do you think Bitcoin overtakes Meta? I say by 10 a.m. tomorrow, Eastern Standard Time. What do you say? My friends, listen, if you don't know what the progression of Bitcoin has been, it's been the fastest growth asset of all times. It has overtaken United Airlines, Visa, LV Lilly, Tesla, and now Berkshire Hathaway in market cap. That is a huge, huge venture for a project that has only been around for, 12 years now? And the adoption is only getting greater. Drop in the comments right now if you think Bitcoin can overtake Meta. I would love to hear your opinion on that. Now, this next video as well, I'm going to share this with you. We need to just get the audio up. Here we go. This is from Michael Saylor. It was posted by Crypto News Alert. I think it's very important for us to listen to this. It'll really help you understand a little bit more. Michael Saylor, if you don't know, he's like the crypto Bitcoin king. He's helping so many people into Bitcoin. So let's listen to what he has to say.
Is just pure money, right? It's just as effective at 100,000 a coin as 10,000 a coin, and at $1 million a coin, it's just as effective. And at 10 million a coin, it's probably more compelling at 10 million a coin than $1 million or 100,000 a coin. It's kind of a universally scalable asset that gets less risky. The only thing that's going to change, in my opinion, is when it was super risky and scary below 10,000, you were getting 100 to 200% a year annualized gains. And then when it got a bit more understandable between 10,000 and 100,000, your gains go to 40 or 50% a year. and then at some point they go to 30 and then 20. And in the extreme, if everybody in the world understood Bitcoin, it would be 20, 30, 40% of the wealth of the world. So it would be 200, 300 trillion in today's dollars. And then the price would be appreciating at the rate of global inflation in the fiat currency. So if global inflation rate remains at 7, it would still be appreciating at 7. And then it would appreciate a little bit more because of the productivity of the people that adopt it as a treasury reserve asset.
Now, this is really important for us to understand, because one of the main aspects that we face in the cryptocurrency space with Bitcoin is that, yeah, the volatility can be scary. But what we need to understand, and what Michael has clearly stated, is that as the price goes up and the project stabilizes, becomes less volatile, you're yes, definitely a better store of value long term. You will just have less chance of making these huge 200, 300% gains that we have been getting for the last bit of time. But hey, Bitcoin is gold. And once it's protecting you against inflation, that is the most important thing, in my opinion. That's what we want to use it for. Now, next, let's look at the last Twitter highlight. Right now, we have Willy Woo. It's very likely we are on the eve of a Bitcoin spot ETF. The first commodity ETF was SPDR Gold Trust. It provided a simple way for investors to access gold in their portfolio. When it launched, gold went on to an 8-year rally with no single down year between 2005 to 2012. There we go, launch of the ETF. Okay. So basically what Willy was trying to say is that, yes, when the ETF gets approved, this is going to create so much buying pressure for Bitcoin that we are just going to see the price catapult. And we're already seeing that movement happening. I'm excited, my friends. I don't know if you are, but I am just pumped, and I'm ready for the rally to keep going and going. I hope you're prepared, my friends. I hope you have set yourself up and that you're ready to be on this journey with us. And you know what? It's interesting, but if you really are ready, really are ready to enhance your financial future and just make an informed investment choice, I want you to take advantage of our 45-minute breakout session. This provides a personalized guidance to help you maximize your potential. Listen, it's tailored specifically for you. These sessions are a gateway for you to understand how to navigate the complexities of the digital asset space effectively. I want you to take a second, just picture yourself just empowered with that clear action plan to make informed decisions and maximize your gains. You're just going to say goodbye to all that confusion, that uncertainty, and say hello to confidence and success on your investment journey. So if you are ready to take that first step towards financial success, I want you to just take 1 second, use the link below, and apply for our exclusive breakout session. And we will take a second, analyze your application, and then possibly get back in touch with you. My friends, it's there. The opportunity is yours. Seize it if you so desire. Now, let's move on to our adoption highlights, and we're going to see what is happening right now in Australia. Shout out to the Aussie team out there. You guys are waking up right now, getting ready for your day. So Cointelegraph says the Australian tax data shows a growing desire to hold crypto for DIY retirement. Australians are increasingly adding cryptocurrency to their self-managed super funds as a means to secure their retirement life, according to newly released data. Furthermore, it says Australians are increasingly looking to cryptocurrencies to secure a peachy retirement, with allocations to the asset class from self-managed retirement funds increasing 400% in just 4 years, and the growth rate surpassing stocks and bonds. As of the quarter ending in September, the nearly 612,000 self-managed super funds are holding a total of 658 million US dollars worth of cryptocurrency, show the statistics released on November 26th. The latest figure is a 400% increase from the same quarter in 2019, which closed out at just under 131 million. Aussies are definitely taking advantage of their self-managed super funds and using it to their fullest potential. Next up on CoinPay, BNB price could break out as Binance reveals future plans. Now, the new Binance CEO shared his plans for the exchange titan while CZ faces a long legal road ahead. Shout out to CZ, but hey, he does have some stuff to get over right now. So Richard Tang, the new CEO of Binance, following ZZ's departure, has outlined his plans for the exchange, pointing out that he has support from CZ Binance leadership. Tang aims to navigate regulatory challenges while promoting the adoption of Web3 technologies. Meanwhile, CZ faces potential legal consequences with the possibility of a 12 to 18 month sentence. Though his legal team may seek alternatives, despite this, Binance Coin charts show potential for a bullish breakout, but risks remain as it could test key support levels. Nevertheless, technical indicators on Binance and BNB chart suggest a possible price bottom. So BNB facing a lot of changes at this point in time. Definitely, we look forward for them succeeding as the leading crypto exchange in the world. Definitely, we don't want any drama right now. We don't want any drama. Let's keep things nice. Let's keep things going up. Now, on the final news for today, Crypto Potato says Bitcoin miners lead in crypto fundraisers for the past 4 months. Crypto fundraising in November saw a significant uptick compared to the amounts raised in prior months. Bitcoin miners took the lead this time, accounting for 90% of the deals ahead of exchanges and payment projects. Bitcoin mines lead in crypto fundraising for November. During the last month, the crypto market inked 98 deals worth $1.75 billion, a major jump from October's 715 million. That's a huge jump. The top 10 deals were worth more than 1.4 billion and involved various crypto projects. Northern Data led the list with more than 600 million in funds raised at the debt financing round, while Phoenix Group followed with 370 million at the initial public offering, and crypto exchange and wallet provider blockchain.com came third with 10 million raised in a Series E funding round. And blockchain-backed wholesale payments firm Finality followed closely with 95 million in a Series B round. Lots of funds being invested, lots of funds being pushed into the crypto space right now. And we can definitely see that with the price action. We just checked the crypto bubbles and everything is going up. So once again, my friend, that was it for us today. Take advantage of the situation. Take advantage of your financial freedom. Start today. Don't miss out. Again, my friends, Stefan here sharing this love with each and every one of you. I hope you enjoyed the show. Drop a comment, drop a like, and I will see you in the next one. Stefan out.